Hi and welcome back to the MDAGamers channel. Today I'm just going to do a quick overview and review of my new gaming case. It is the GameMax Sirius case. So let's have a quick look at the box. So on this case specifications, colours black, material, dimensions, motherboard support, ATX, micro, ATX and ITX. Bays, it has two 3.5 bays and two 2.5 bays. I/O is two USBs 2.0, support for 3.0, and headphone jack, microphone, two fan controllers, LED button, and then expansion shots. It's got 7 full size, cooling support, your front, rear and top support for fans up to 120mm, 3 for the front, 1 for the rear and 2 for the top. CPU cooler max height is 163mm. Cable management max depth is 23mm. So that's one side. Let's take a look at the other side. Just the logo on there. And then features. Make sure you can see this. Modern looking style to case with tempered glass side panels. Support up to 120mm fans, 4 RGB LED fans including, allowing you to light up and cool the case to suit you. And then tempered glass LED button, the unboxing knife out. There she is. In fact, I couldn't see any reviews on this on YouTube, that's why I'm doing this quick video. I'm going to quickly build it up and then I'll show you what I put inside it. So, I'll see you in a minute. Here's the GameMax case, all set up now with all my stuff inside. So, overall, not a bad PC case to build inside. Plenty of options for cable management, plenty of space for motherboards, etc. There's one of the LED fans that come included at the back of the case, and then your 3 on the front, which is all glass, so you're going to need a lot of glass cleaner to keep this case clean, but it does look ace when it's all lit up, which I'll show you that in the last part of the video. So let's quickly go run down all the things I've got inside this case. So I've got a Wi-Fi card inside there. I've got a 650 Cooler Master power supply, a Kingston SSD 250 gig, and then down there I've got my Barracuda 2TB hard drive, a gigabyte AB350 gaming motherboard, see just down there. This is my Asus GTX 1070 Turbo Edition graphics card, and then underneath my Cooler Master CPU cooler. This was pain to put on because the backing plate off my 8350 wouldn't fit on this, so I just had to use the screw standoffs and put some rubber washers like this behind the motherboard to get the so the screws weren't touching the motherboard. So I managed to get my old Cooler Master on from my old gaming PC, what were an AMD 8350 and an R9 290. So underneath there is a Ryzen 1700X with 16 gigs of HyperX memory, running at 266 MHz, I believe. Then yeah, that's pretty much my computer case. Got quite enough room for 2 more SSDs. It's got 1 more SSD in my case, so one goes there, bottle them from the back. 3 expansion bays in here for 3.5mm. That's the I/O port I've got on this motherboard, but yours might be different. Back, power supply. Quite easy to take these off, you just unscrew them just like that and you just tighten them up. And they just sit on these off mounts. Yeah, so I'll just set this up, give it a quick clean, and I'll show you the LED and the fan controller and how it works and how it looks. Yeah, and here we are in the dark. Turn it on. So I've got mine set on default in blue. And these are the different functions on the fan controller that comes with it. Light blue, and kind of a greeny colour, white, disco, off, fade in between, change in between colours. And then it has a magnetic fan filter on top that you can take off. Yeah, so you've got on top your fan controllers. I'll turn it on high, but I've probably got one set up, so that one's only working for me at the moment. Your power on, power off. That's your LED button to change the modes of your RGB fans. Hard reset button. That one's just a dummy port. You've got your microphone, your headset, USB, and another USB. That's all you've got on top. Okay, so this has been MDAGamers. This was a quick unboxing and a quick review of the GameMax Sirius gaming case. If you've got any questions, please post your comments down in below, and if you enjoyed the video, please give it a like. Until then, this is MDAGamers, and I'll catch you in my next video.
News all gaming, it's not gaming news show or what I like to do. I don't do it as often.